here. Today I'm going to be opening up, unboxing, Adventure Bay Railway. It is Paw Patrol. And let's unbox it and see what we got. So I'm going to get my handy dandy this thing. See, that should work. Wow. So, okay, I'm going to do that all over again. So we have a train track, that one, and then that one, and then we have these. Let's have rubber bands on them. Let's take rubber bands off. So there's 2 of those. And they connect very easily, and they come apart very easily. So those are sides, and it comes with the instructions and this piece. So let's open it up and yeah, it's that piece, and then the instructions telling you how to put the pieces together and stuff like that. Yeah. And it comes with these 2 pieces. Comes with four of this half circles. And it comes with this piece, which this goes on like that. Let me go on a little bit more, I think. There's that go. That one goes. And it also has a tunnel. That's pretty cool. Then it comes with an extra green cart. There. Comes with that one. And it also comes with a red and wooden blocks. And it comes with rubble. And it comes with an engine. This engine takes AAA batteries. It does not come including with it. So you have to go, yeah. And then it has a this thing as well. Let's open it up and there. And it goes that way or it goes up. It's cool. And well, last piece. And this piece is a ramp. Next to this piece. Cool. Alright. Let's set this up and start playing with it. And here's another way that you can set it up as well. So there's like a million ways that you can set it up. This is the one that I did the second time. The first time that you saw already. And let's see if it works. Put this up too. Turn this over here. Go this way this time. Down. No. Right. And thanks for watching, and give this video a thumbs up. And please leave a friendly comment below. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys. Bye.